Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see about nursery and plant management. It turns your Odoo software into a full system to grow and sell plant. So first of all you have a question, right, that who use it? So it's useful for the plant nursery owners, greenhouse managers, garden centers and anyone who grows plant in batch and sells them like a wholesale and retailer. And why do they need it? So normal software just track product in stock, but a nursery is a different. A plant grows over weeks or months. Some plants die, some needs to be moved to the bigger pots, some need spraying for pest. These apps track all of that. And what can you do it with? So it's included keep a full catalog of the plant like a name, family, care needs. Track a batch of the plant from a seeds or cutting, grown, ready to sell, and track watering, feeding, spraying. Know exactly how much stock is available to sell and live. Handle legal and compliance paperwork like spray safety, plant passport, export certificate, and also available you can easily see dashboard and reports for the whole nursery. So let's see about that how it works. Here already installed this module, so first of all go to this app, Nursery app, and inside this configuration menu available here this settings, and here available we have three options: sales and availability, production and loss, and crop production and compliance. So first of all we see here this oversell policy. So what happens if someone orders more plants than you actually have? Like a here just warn you. If select here this block, then block you. And if select here this allow option, then not display here any phones and block. Now next is the low availability threshold. So below this number is a 10. So a plant is marked as a low stock when you have available 10. Now next portion is the production and losses in available mortality alert threshold. So if more than 20% of the batch dies, the system reacts as an alert. Now next is the right of approval threshold. So if losses goes 500 plants, a manager must approve it. Third one is the propagation approval threshold. So starting more than 5,000 plants at once need manager approval. Next is the crop overdue grace. So total 7 days grace period before a late batch is flagged as a overdue stage. Now third portion is available crop protection as a compliance. So it's an available default re-entry interval like a default wait time total 12 hours. So before workers can re-enter the spray area if not set as the chemical itself. Next is the default pre-harvest interval. So default wait time before a sprayed plant can be sold. Next is the license expiry alertly. So one total 30 days before a staff freeze license expire. And last one is the royalty count mode. So when to start counting royalty for the protected plants. So here at propagation. So here is the basic setup. You can display here as a warning, log, duration set. So next video we will see in basic configuration about the nursery plant. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.